Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will study a new type of English calligraphy. So let's start. In today's calligraphy, we will learn how to write alphabets in a new style. And here I'm writing A, B, C to Z in that English calligraphy style. So first of all, I have started from A, and after that we have written different words, and now it's turn to write H in that style. After writing H, now it's turn to write I and then J, and here we are writing K, L, M and N, and it's so easy process of writing calligraphy. This type of English calligraphy is known as shadow English calligraphy, because in today's calligraphy we are not writing full word, we are making just its shadows. And here our calligraphy is near to complete. Thanks for watching video, and Allah Hafiz.